Losing weight doesn't have to be hard. Not when you have something guaranteed, tested, and proven to help you shake off the extra pounds. Shake up your slim down with PureNourish. PureNourish is a 3-in-1 plant-based protein that helps satisfy hunger so you feel fuller longer. Fill nutrient gaps while you reduce calories, and help support digestive discomfort and reduce bloating so you can feel more comfortable. Other protein shakes don't match up. They can be hard on your stomach, taste chalky, have too many calories, are loaded with sugar, and lack key nutrients to support your body during weight loss. PureNourish features 18 grams of pea protein, and it's packed with vitamins, minerals, probiotics, prebiotics, enzymes, and fiber to help keep you full, regulated, and vibrant while you reach your weight loss goals. And the PureNourish taste is naturally pure delicious. This time, shake up your slim down and drop the weight for good with PureNourish 3-in-1 plant protein.